Pixel and ad retargeting. Pixel and ad retargeting is a really smart tool to help you increase sales and lets you measure, optimize and build audiences for your advertising campaigns. In ECOMSILVER CMS, literally go up to your settings tab in the top right hand corner, and if you're doing Google ads or Facebook ads, pick which one you're working with. We'll do Facebook Pixel for this purpose. And then literally all you do is get your Facebook Pixel account and copy and paste the text from your Facebook Pixel account into here. Once that's pasted in, you literally save the code and that's it, it's done. To actually make the Facebook Pixel active, you just click on the active tool here. Now, the real purpose for Facebook Pixel, it's a really smart tool in that if you're doing any advertising through Facebook and a customer clicks on that advert and then doesn't actually convert through or follow through and click on the call to action, what the Facebook Pixel does is it can retarget that person knowing they're 80 or 90% interested in your product and then put that advert back in front of them again, knowing that they'd almost converted. It's almost giving them a second bite of the cherry really. And then once they see the advert again, the likelihood they'll click on it is much higher. And we've seen increases in sales, monthly sales, by up to 900% using the Facebook Pixel tracking code. So definitely a worthwhile tool to use through the ECOMSILVER CMS. Thanks for watching.